has passed away. May I kindly ask everyone to stand up as we come together to pay a tribute to her heartless princess who has passed away. Please rise. So if you want to watch this fight or some other fight, you just get into YouTube and just click for Chiang Mai Boxing Stadium official. And for this name, you can follow us.